Hello everyone, once again I welcome you all to this interesting, fascinating hairstyling tutorial. I hope you all are going to enjoy the same. So, what are you waiting for? Just grab your hair accessories and let them mold into these fascinating styles to give you a look that will adorn your beauty. Isn't it amazing? See what are we going to do in this video and what types of hairstyles are we going to create so as to make you look pretty and amazing. With the help of these beautiful cute ribbons, we have tied up into a simple knot. Just take the two pleats around and with the help of a rubber band, crisscross it in this way and look at the pattern. Isn't it just wow pattern? Just take your tic-tac clips, your starry clips or any other shape of clips that you would love to wear. And here we have another hairstyle that will appeal to your beauty, isn't it? Take the rubber, take the band and just tie it in this way. Make the beautiful pattern like this and tie a knot and secure your hair into a lovely beautiful hairstyle. Again we are taking a ribbon and diving it into some beautiful patterns around, making crisscross with the help of the ribbon only, and see, isn't it looking really lovely? Yes, won't you just try it on your own? Definitely you should. Again take a small thin ponytail, make some beautiful small thin plait and then just take out some of the hair like this the girl is doing in the video and just see the end result. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Definitely yes. Let's proceed further and see what lovely hairstyles are there to appeal us. Making the lovely patterns like this the help of a clipper, you can just abolish and make these beautiful pretty patterns on your hair. Tie a ribbon like knot and then with the help of the tacker you can just do and put the ribbon here and crisscrossing it with the help of the hair and making it from top to bottom. You can just secure it with the help of cute transparent rubber band. Again proceeding further in the video, let's see which lovely hairstyle is this and just wait for the end result. What are we going to make now? Yes, by taking the zigzag patterns of the hair and interlocking by making a zigzag pattern in the hair, by taking small partition of hair and making beautiful patterns like this on either side of the hair, and this is going to give you a beautiful lovely look. Won't you try it on your own? Definitely you should try it and just grab all your lovely beautiful accessories in your wardrobe and pick them up and adorn yourself. With the help of this ribbon, what you can do is make some patterns like this, interlocking your hair and the ribbon and making some zigzag patterns like this. Now fold the end part of the ribbon into a bun and then putting it like this on either side of the hair. Yes, this is something beautiful. Now let's see what another hairstyle is there waiting for you. Yes, some cool dazzy hairstyles for any occasion of your life. Yes, making and rolling the hair in this way and then securing it with the help of a tic-tac pin. Yes, this is beautiful. Let's see what are we going to make next. And these hairstyles are literally classy and it will make you look damn amazing. Making these patterns on your hair will definitely make you look, yes, this is something beautiful.